welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be creating a frosty pink eye look and this is going to be my inspiration. So without wasting further time, let's get into the video. Video guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this look as much as I enjoyed creating this look. You guys let me know in the comment section what you feel about this look. Also, if you like my video, give me a big like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll be seeing you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive and Bye.